Welcome to the in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here we can see the media, alarm and notification button panel. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side. There is blue dots with our finger. Also we have here the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can set a shadow here. We can switch we can interpret the don't disturb into the apps, or we can also switch it to the alarms, media, sounds, touch sounds. Also we have here the shadow, so we can start and end, set a start and end time. And also here we have more display options, so we can also change them. We can also here to turn on or turn off the media player in quick settings, the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change the notification and alarm sounds. And also we can here turn on or turn off the screen lock, unlock sounds, the charging sounds and vibration, the touch sounds and touch vibration. Also we can change this, all of this just switchers, just by click once on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.